What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gilt coming at you guys with another review. Today we have a review on the Nike ACG Trail pants. Now these pants retail at $110. But before we get into the review, make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. Let's get into the review. I purchased these pants in an XL. Personally, I wish I would have went with a large. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds for sizing reference. I find these a little bit long and then they're extremely wide, like they're really puffy. So personally, I would have went with a large. These pants are extremely interesting and they're made up of 100% nylon. As you guys can see, there's a printed material on there. I'll get you guys up close pictures of everything. I believe this released in 2019. These are still brand new. I haven't worn them yet, so they still have the tag. But these are super cool. I do really like them. One thing I wish they didn't put on there though would be the knees, but I'm sure that serves like a purpose. You got a little knee slider, but I wish that they would have definitely just done all the print all the way, because I don't really like the blocking right there. I don't think it looks good, and I don't like the patch. That's basically what it looks like, just a huge patch. These pants also feature a belt, and the belt has one little loop and it hangs down. I'm really not a big fan of the hanging down belt, but it is nice that it's an adjustable waist. It also features two pockets on the front, and they're both zip pockets, and there's one pocket on the back on your right side, and it also has a zipper. Now this pant is just super interesting. It's actually what made me buy these. I thought it was super dope. I just wish that they wouldn't have put the blocking right there. I think that doesn't look that good. This is a super nice and high quality product though. It definitely feels like a really nice pair of nylon pants. Another reason I would have went with a large is because I don't like how wide the ends are. I don't think that they're tapered enough for me. I kind of like more of a skinny fit, and I don't really have that big of ankles, and these are pretty big. This has your standard ACG in the right corner. It's in the triangle, it's in red. And ACG stands for All Conditions Gear. I'm personally not a big fan of ACG. I like some of their stuff, but I find their stuff more for like performance of like outdoor hiking and stuff like that, and I personally don't enjoy those activities and do anything like that. So most of their gear I just don't really go with. They do have some stuff that is like vintage that looks pretty cool, but I'm more of a Nike Lab fan. I like more like the designer and more of the high quality gear versus ACG. I do want to say I'm not hating on ACG. I do think it's super nice, and I definitely think it's cool. I like what Nike does with it. It's just not personally my style. I do own a couple ACG pieces though, so I have some ACG stuff. I just don't go for it as much as I go for Nike Lab. I personally picked this pair of pants up for like $15, so I would definitely recommend this product. Definitely at $15, but even at $110, I think that's pretty fair comparing to Nike Tech Fleece and just how much normal Nike joggers are. This is pretty much the going rate, and these are definitely a lot different. So these stand out. I think there's a couple fits that I could pull off with them. I just don't know how I feel about how wide it is. It looks super puffy, and I don't know if I really want to go with that look. I did really like the pictures, but when I got in, the puffiness and then the knee for me, just not a big fan of it. I could get over the belt, even though I'm not a huge belt guy. I think that these look super unique and I think they're super dope. But me personally, I think I would have had to go with a large. So I would definitely take a large, and I think I could rock it a lot better. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel so much. And I'm out.